Welcome. If you're looking to keep tighter control over your Telegram group and want to prevent even the group owner from adding new admins using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make sure only you, as the owner, can decide who gets admin privileges. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you are the owner. You'll find your groups listed on the left side. Just click on the one you want to manage. Next, at the top of the group chat, click on the group's name. This will open up the group info panel. Here, look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or gear symbol, and click on it to access the group's settings. Inside the settings menu, find and select the administrators section. This is where you see all the current admins and their permissions. Now click on your own profile, which should be labeled as owner. This brings up the detailed permissions for your owner account. Scroll through the permissions until you find the option labeled Add Admins. By default, this is enabled, allowing the owner to add new admins at any time. To prevent this, simply toggle off the Add Admins option. This action will restrict the ability to add new admins even for the owner account. Once you've made this change, don't forget to hit Save to apply the new settings. Telegram will update the group's permissions immediately. And from now on, no one, including the owner, will be able to add new admins unless you return and enable the option again. By following these steps, you can maintain full control over your Telegram group's admin structure, ensuring that no unexpected changes happen without your approval. This is especially useful for keeping your group secure and organized, particularly after Telegram's recent updates to group management. Thanks for watching. For more tips on managing your Telegram groups and staying up to date with the latest features, make sure to check out our other guides.